My name is Nikki Hall, and this is my submission for graduation with honors from the Nucamp Front-End Bootcamp. My project is a React single-page application for a popular lake resort in Oklahoma. While they currently have a website, it's not user-friendly or visually appealing. On the home page, I started with the header with all the necessary drop-downs and nav links. I then added a Book Now button, which currently directs you to their external booking site, as their current site is built on WordPress and has no internal booking integration. If this were to go into production, I would like to add a backend so everything would be handled on this site. I went on to add a description of the resort and awards they have received, along with a reviews carousel. Then we have the footer, complete with social icons, contact information, and a clickable contact us button with a contact form. I built the form with Formic. It's complete with form validation. The amenities page and the guest info page are unordered lists with a few images. The resort map and frequently asked questions page has a resort map and an accordion of frequently asked questions. The weddings page displays general information about their wedding services offered and a few pictures of their wedding gazebo. The golf cart and massage page uses a card to display information about the golf cart rentals and an image of the massage flyer. The nearby attractions are all links to external sites that are area attractions. The accommodations pages list the different types of lodging available. There are separate pages for each type. Each page shows a description, a list of amenities, an accordion that shows rates based on season because the rates change based on the season, and a carousel of images. I had some issues with the React strap carousel due to my images having different sizes, so I wound up using the React responsive carousel. While I did make some minor tweaks to it, it was a good solution. I first started with one page and built the page using individual components I needed. Once I got that working, I knew I wanted this all in one reusable component so I could keep my code dry. So I refactored it into the accommodations component. In my accommodations component, some of the JSX elements required logic that couldn't be embedded directly inside the returned final JSX. Therefore, they were built outside and returned in the JSX element. For example, the includes and the carousels. The title and information were just passed in as props. Rates is being passed in to the accommodations accordion via props. One of the difficulties that I had was dealing with the fact that some of the accommodations had multiple carousels and some only had one. As you can see here, King Suites has 4 carousels, which initially all stretched straight across the page. I wanted to find a way to handle the layout properly. I wound up using the modulus operator as a solution to split them into rows of 2 if there were more than 2 carousels. I learned a lot about modeling objects using Formic and practicing with React Strap, reusing components with React, and had a lot of fun with the CSS along with this project. Figuring out the accommodations pages was the most challenging part, and I really enjoyed this project and the bootcamp as a whole.